Now we shall study one more example from the topic ratio and proportion. 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b is equal to 4 upon 3. And we have to find the value of 3a square minus 7b upon 3a square plus 7b. So what we have to do? To start with solution. Write 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b is equal to 4 upon 3. Now, if you look at the question, if you look at this information, you have to apply componendo dividendo to the given ratio and then see what happens. So, therefore, by componendo dividendo 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b upon 3a plus 7b minus 3a minus 7b. A plus b upon a minus b you have to do is equal to 4 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3. So that is what you have to do first step. Now in the second step you will open the bracket 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b divided by 3a plus 7b. When you open the bracket, change the sign of both the terms. So this will become minus 3a and minus 7b will become plus 7b is equal to 7 upon 1. Okay, minus 7b and plus 7b cancel, minus 3 and plus 3a get cancelled, and 3a plus 3a is 6a, 7b plus 7b is 14b, and that is equal to 7 upon 1. Therefore, a upon b is equal to 7 upon 1 multiplied by cross multiply 14 upon 6. And then what we get just here, very interesting. Therefore, a upon b is equal to 6 upon 14. 14 upon 6 is there. 2 7 da. 2 3 da. So in the numerator 7 7 da we get 49 upon we get 3. We got a upon b is equal to 49 upon 3. And now we will find the value of this. First of all, what we will do? Square is there, a square is there. So we will square on both the sides. A square upon b square is equal to 3 square is 9. And now 49 ka square we have to find. 9 9 ka 81 and 9 for the 36. 36 plus 8 is 44. 4 9 are 36, 4 4 are 16 plus 3 is 19. So what we get? Oh, 4 9 are 36, 4 4 are 16 plus 3 is 19, and we get answer 1 0 carry 1, 10 plus 4 is 14, 2 4 0 1. So 2401 square of 49. After this, what is the coefficient of a square? 3. What is the coefficient of b square? 7. So we will multiply a square by 3 and b square by 7. Same thing we need to do on the other side also. 3 upon 7. And therefore 3a square upon 7b square is equal to, now here we need to simplify. 3 1 da 3, 3 3 da, so we are left with 3 here. And here also 7 1 da 7, 7 3 da 21, 3 is the remainder, 7 4 da 28, 2 is the remainder, 3. So what we are left with 343 upon 3. We are left with 343 upon 3. And once again when we will look at that, apply componendo dividendo to this. Therefore, by componendo dividendo, dividendo, 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square is equal to 343 plus 3 upon 343 minus 3. Therefore, 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square is equal to 343 plus 3 is 346. 343 minus 3 is 340. And now, last step. Therefore, 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square is equal to, simplify this, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 2, 217 the 173 upon 340 upon 2 means it will come 170. And therefore, now look on the board once again. Here we have minus in the numerator and plus in the denominator. So this should go in the numerator and this should come in the denominator, and therefore we will apply invertendo. So therefore by invertendo, 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square is equal to 170 upon 173. This is the final answer. Okay, just copy this.